In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the desktop folder out of OneDrive on Windows 10. If you're finding that your desktop is synced with OneDrive and you'd prefer it not to be, you're in the right place. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your desktop files are stored locally instead of in the cloud. First, let's ensure your important files and folders aren't lost during the process. Open File Explorer and navigate to your OneDrive folder, which you'll find in the left-hand sidebar. Once there, look for a folder named Desktop. This is where your desktop files are currently being stored. Create a copy of all the files you need from this folder and save them temporarily onto your local C drive or any other preferred location on your computer. This ensures we have a backup, just in case. Next, we need to stop OneDrive from automatically backing up your desktop files. To do this, locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your system tray, situated at the bottom right corner of your screen. You might need to click on the little arrow to show hidden icons. Right-click on the OneDrive icon and select Settings. From the window that appears, navigate to the Backup tab, which controls folder backups. Click on Manage Backup. Here, you'll see a list of folders, like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. Click the Stop Backup link next to Desktop. Confirm the action by choosing Stop Backup again when prompted. Doing this will disable OneDrive from syncing your desktop files automatically. Now that we've stopped the sync, we need to relocate your desktop folder back to its rightful place on your computer. Navigate to the original desktop location within your user folder. To get there, open a new File Explorer window, and in the left sidebar, click This PC. Then, go to the Local Disk C, followed by Users, and finally your username. You should see a desktop folder here, which is likely empty now. Open the temporary location where you saved your desktop files earlier. Simply move or copy those files back into the desktop folder under your user directory. This way, your computer has direct access to them, bypassing OneDrive entirely. Finally, it's time to confirm everything is in place. Minimize any open windows, or press Windows D to go to your desktop. You should now see all your files and shortcuts restored. No more syncing with OneDrive. Remember to occasionally back up your important files elsewhere to avoid any data loss in the future. And there you have it, your desktop is now independent of OneDrive. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day.